Okay, it's a blustery 40 degrees here in Acadia National Park. We are doing the bubbles, heading around Jordan Pond right now, and I'm gonna go up and over and around. All right, see you later, bye. Heading down the Jordan Pond path. This is one of my favorite parts of Acadia National Park. It's icy, obviously. Jordan Pond's a little frozen here. All right, there are the bubbles. Right there. Ice Space Baby. I'm sorry, I know I do that in every video. All right, you can see the sign up at the top of the bubbles. Right there, see it? Right there. Nice big glacial erratic. Some ice. And we're going off up there. Okay, we're headed up the Bubbles Trail. Okay, headed up the Bubbles. I like this because you can see we already got views. Just a little staircase. This is a great, first time mountain. I love it. Okay, there she blows. There's the Park Loop Road. Can't access that part right now. There's Lindsay climbing in her very stylish gear today. Okay, guess we should get moving. Those rocky boulders. Maybe got boulders. Right? Alright, now here's one of my favorite parts of the bubbles. We got a little squeeze in there, which is a lot of fun. Now we're heading up to the top where it's going to be exposed, and we got some climbing to do. Okay, so I'm climbing up the bubbles. As you can see, there's some spots that are a little tight. Just look for the handholds. They are there. I'm short. I'm 5'2". So you guys, kids, they're all pretty short too. So just look for them. Reach around and then pull yourself up. Looks like we got more to do up here, but it's like a really short period of time and it's kind of thrilling. So just look for the handholds. This is an iron rung. This is not a handhold, for the record. A handhold is like when you stick your fingers on something. Heading up there. And then up there. We can look at this. Hey, Lindsay. Which way to the margaritas?
Down? No.
That way! Alright, a little bit of a ledge walk here. There's Jordan Pond. Just climbed up here. You can see the blue blazes. We have Sargent and Penobscot over there on that side of Jordan Pond. And up here's Pematic, which we did last weekend. Okay. Off we go. Okay, just a little side note. If it's real icy here, we just had to kind of shimmy up that, and it would be sketchy. I wouldn't recommend it. You can go up some other mountain if you're new, if you're a newbie. So if you're doing this because you're new and I said it was a good mountain for you to start with, take note that if it's going to be real icy, make sure you have spikes, poles, and a healthy fear of sliding. Don't slide. Here's one of my favorite parts of the trail. It opens up right up here. There's lots of views. It didn't take us that long to get up here. Yeah. Yeah, we've done 1.27 miles according to my watch. That's from Jordan Pond. Dun 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 dun! Here is the summit of South Bubble. Elevation 769 feet. Again, there's Sergeant Penobscot. Pematic. We're headed over to North Bubble now. And the Bubble Rock is over that way. We didn't go. Okay, headed over to the North Bubble, and I think I spoke too soon about the ice, because this is like the dangerous stuff right here. It doesn't really look like ice, but it is ice, and it'll send you flying right on your tail. Oh, see, just like that. So be careful. Make sure you always have traction with you when hiking Acadia in the winter. Okay, definitely spoke too soon. Sketchy ice. Look at this. It's like literal stairs of ice. Yay! Little tip, stick to the sides. Don't bushwhack, but stay as close as you can to trees, rocks that maybe aren't covered in ice. And hopefully you won't fall. Heading back down to Jordan Pond. Heading up to the North Bubble. Jordan Pond is behind me. Okay, North Bubble Summit this way. I just remembered it is going to be real icy. I've done this before. Wish us luck. Icy climbing. Okay, North Bubble Summit, Jordan Pond, Pematic and Sergeant, or I'm sorry, Penobscot and Sergeant, Pematic, Jordan Pond. There we go. Look at that. Okay, I'm at the top of North Bubble Mountain. It is wicked sketchy coming from south to north, but otherwise all good. Really nice day out in Acadia. Okay, we came out of the woods to this beautiful scene. Lovely.